सर्वेभ्यो नमः। अद्य अत्र शिवसूत्राणि अर्थात् माहेश्वरसूत्राणि इति विषये असमन्तात् यथाशक्त्या विवरणं करोमि। A warm welcome to my channel, The Voice of Sanskrit in Ayurveda. In this channel, I am going to explain Maheshwara Sutras. What is the mythology behind this? It is originated from where? How it came? What is there in that? What is the use of Maheshwara Sutra? Each and everything I will be explaining in detail. Maheshwara Sutras. All of you know in that Sanskrit alphabets are there. Swarakshara, Vyanjanakshara, each and every Sanskrit alphabets are there. You know that Maheshwara Sutras came from the sound of the dhakka, damaruga of Nataraja Shiva. Nrittavasane Nataraja Rajo Nanadadhakkam Navapanchavaram Uddhartu Kamaha Sanakadisiddhan Yetad Vimashe Shivasutra Jalam. Before that, if you are not subscribed my channel Voice of Sanskrit in Ayurveda, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, press bell icon. It helps to get latest videos from my channel. Maheshwara Sutrani. Just now I told. Nrittavasane Nataraja Rajo Nanadadhakkam Navapanchavaram Uddhartu Kamaha Sanakadisiddhan Yetat Vimashe Shivasutra Jalam. This shloka, Nandikeshwara Karika shloka, it explains that Nrittavasane, in the end of the Tandava Nritya, Nataraja Raja Shiva, Lord Maheshwara, Nanadadhakkam Navapanchavaram. He made the dhakka. He made his dhakka drum to the sound into 14 times. Nava plus 5. 9 plus 5. 14 times he made his sound, his dhakka. Why? Uddhartu Kamaha Sanakadisiddhan. To give the protection to the Sanakadi rishis. Sanaka, Sananda, Sanat Kumara, etc. rishis, they were all performing their tapas. To give the protection to them, he beaten his dhakka to the sound. By that sound, the series of Maheshwara Sutra, one by one, series of Maheshwara Sutra one by one came. These, by the sound of the dhaka, Panini Maharshi, he is in tapas. Panini Maharshi is in tapas. In that time, he heard the sound of the dhaka. How he heard? He simply not hearing that dug 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 sound. What he heard? From the first sound, he heard that a, yi, u, n. From the second sound of dhaka, he heard r, l, k. Then, in the same way, ye, om, I, ouch, hayavarat, lan, nyamangalanam, jabhan, ghadadash, jabagadadash, kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, cha, ta, ta, v, kapai, shashasar, hal. From each sound, he found the Samskrita aksharas. From hearing the sound of the dhaka, Panini Maharshi, Samskrita grammarian, he is called as the father of Samskrita Vyakarana. He wrote all these Maheshwara Sutra in his grammar book, that is Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is one of the Samskrita Vyakarana Grantha written by Panini Maharshi. There are 3678 sutras are there in that Ashtadhyayi. Ashtadhyayi is one of the tremendous work. Each and everyone must and should go through it. It is really a wonderful invention of a human talent. In his Ashtadhyayi, starting full this Maheshwara Sutras, means Sanskrit alphabets, series of Maheshwara Sutra one by one, from the dhaka sound, he heard. So, by these Maheshwara Sutras, why this is called Maheshwara Sutra? It is told that Maheshwarat Agatani Sutrani Maheshwara Sutrani. These Maheshwara Sutras came from the Maheshwara, Lord Maheshwara, Nataraja Raja, Lord Shiva. So it is called as Maheshwara Sutrani, or it is also called as Shiva Sutrani, or it is also called as Akshara Samamnaya, or it is also called as Varna Samamnaya. Group of Varnas, group of alphabets, full Samskrita alphabets are present in this Maheshwara Sutra. Each and everyone should read Maheshwara Sutra without mistake. Once again, I will be pronounce this Maheshwara Sutra here properly. Aye un, r, zrk, ye, om, I, ouch, hayavarat, lan, nyamangananam, jabhan, ghadadash, jabagadadash, kha, pha, cha, tha, tha, chatatau, kapai, shashasar, hal. Once again, Ayun, Rilrik, Ye Om, I ouch, Hayavarat, Lun, Nyamangananam, Jhaban, Gadadash, Jabagadadash, Ka Pha Cha Ta Tha Cha Ta Ta Vu, Kapai, Shashasar, Hal. What is the use of this Maheshwara Sutra? Mainly 42 pratyaharas made by Panini by using this Maheshwara Sutra. What do you mean by pratyahara? Pratyahara means Sankshipta Rupa of Maheshwara Sutra, brief form of Maheshwara Sutra. What is that? I will be explaining important pratyahara, definition of pratyahara, pratyahara sutra, and what is its importance. I will be explaining each and everything in my next video. Once again, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, press bell icon. Nrittavasane Natarajarajo Nanadadhakkam Navapanchavaram Uddhartu Kamaha Sanakadisiddhan Yetad Vimarshe Shivasutrajalam. Nrittavasane Natarajarajo Nanadadhakkam Navapanchavaram Uddhartu Kamaha Sanakadisiddhan Yetad Vimarshe Shivasutrajalam. Jayatu Samskrita Bhasha.